In this video we look at the different levels of aggression offered by the metal anti-climb spikes from Insight Security. For safety, we suggest that aggressive anti-climb spikes should be installed no lower than 2.2 meters from ground level to protect innocent persons or animals from accidentally injuring themselves. Our razor comb and razor channel anti-climb spikes are the least aggressive. The spikes are sharp but not sharpened. If you brushed against them, they would not cause injury. However, if you placed your hands on them and used your body weight to gain purchase, they would leave puncture wounds that could need treatment, but nothing life-threatening. The most aggressive spikes we sell are Razor Point and Razor Spike 11 units. Both these products are sharp and could cause serious injury to anyone attempting to climb over them, and even lightly brushing against them could cause injuries. Attempting to climb over these spikes could result in major injury, such as impalement, the loss of fingers, or worse. These products should not be used to deter children or animals, as they will not understand the aggressive nature of the product. The Highways Act 1980 and the Occupiers Liability Act 1984 offer useful guidance on installation. The prominent display of warning signs is a legal requirement where these products are installed. We recommend that clearly visible signs be positioned at no more than 5-meter intervals. For more help or advice, check out our website or call our friendly team.